We are learning QA fundamental, and in this journey let's try to learn these two commands, mb and cp. So mb command is used to move the file and the cp command is used to copy the file. So these two command will use in a terminal. So let's open the Finder. Let me minimize this screen. And then we'll go to user YouTube, and then we'll go to desktop. So this file lo, we want to copy this to some other location. Like we want to copy this thing from this place, and we want to put to documents. So from this UI, it's very easy. We know how to do that. Let's do one more time, and then we'll see the same operation in a terminal. Let's open the terminal. That's iTerm. And in the iTerm, like sometimes you need to increase the font, like if you think it's very small. So in that case we can click on the iTerm, and then you can check somewhere you can find. Let's try maybe in the setting. Yeah, we can check this option. We'll find somewhere. Keys, maybe profiles, text. The size is 12 here, and then see this is getting increased. So let's make it 14, 15 or 16. 16 is good. Okay, so this is the way we can increase or decrease this font here. Anyway, so we are here in this iTerm, and we can see our present working directory. It's YouTube, that is user, and here our present working directory in the Finder. Also you can see the YouTube here, and from the YouTube, if we go to the desktop, go here, and let's copy this lo. How we can copy this? So here is easy. We can right click and the copy. So in the Mac we can, like how to do right click. It's a double finger. If you just click by two finger, then it will come here. So let's see what is inside the LOS. So yesterday we saw that we created the folder blue. Inside the blue there is a white, and that's all. Come back to blue, come back to yellow, and now come back to this YouTube. So now we are in a desktop under YouTube. This is the desktop, under desktop yellow. So right click and the copy. In a Windows machine, you can also see some option for cart also. In cart, it will disappear from here. So let's copy this, and then we go to the YouTube, and from here we go to the documents, and with two fingers right click and the paste the item. So you can see the everything copied here. Inside yellow we can see blue, white, and still you can go to the YouTube and go to the desktop. Our original file is still here. So the same operation we want to do with the iTerm. So for that we have command cp. So you can use that cp command. And before that, you just go to the YouTube, go to documents, and delete this. So right click and move to trash. So it's got deleted. So now we are in documents, and here we are in YouTube. So let's go to documents where like we want to copy. So there are different from here, being here also you can copy to my documents, but let's go to the documents first here. And now you can see this is our present working directory documents, and we want to copy the folder that is in desktop, and the name is LO. So we'll use command cp, and then we'll use the option R. So R is for recursive. So if you want to copy any other files like inside that folder, like there are many files inside that folder, or there is a directory hierarchy, so you want to copy all those things, then you can use the option recursion. If you do not use recursion, then in that case you can copy only one file. If there are more files in the folder, you cannot copy. So that's why we are using option recursion. So cpr, and then from here we want to copy, we have to go to that location. So we know the location we want to copy inside the YouTube, and then you have to go to the desktop. But currently here we are in documents, so we have to come out and go to the YouTube. So how to come out? So if I do dot backward slash, then go, so this means go back one step. So now we are in YouTube, so this indicates we are in YouTube's. And from here, from the YouTube, we can go to the desktop. So I can put the desktop here, and if my command is good, so if it is correct, then I can press the tab and the desktop will appear. So in a keyboard I'm going to press tab. I didn't type whole things desktop or all things, but in a keyboard I press tab, and see it appears. So that means we are in right path. So from the desktop we want to copy this LO. So YLO and tab. So while copying, there is a significant meaning for having forward slash here or not. So if I have like forward slash here, then everything inside the LO, inside this LO folder will be copied. But our goal is to copy whole folder itself. So in that case, we do not use this forward slash. And then we want to copy this thing in a current folder. So this, we are in documents. So if you want to copy in the current folder, so this is the way, dot and forward slash, that indicates that this is the current folder. So as soon as I hit this command, this whole block LO will be copied to my documents, or this is documents. Yeah, I usually say my documents. Yeah, but folder name is documents. So let's see, if I enter this, see it's appeared LO, and inside LO you can see the blue and white. You might be thinking, like why we are using this command. This seems difficult. We can do this thing, but last time I already told, because when you connect your computer to remote computer, and then in most of the case you will see this kind of black screen, and you have only one option to use the command. So like, let's say you are in home and you want to connect to your office computer. So let's say this is your office computer, and in that case you have options. So you have only one option, so you can use the command and do all the operations. So this is mostly done by the QA in their day-to-day work. Okay, so we copied this. Let's see, let's first delete this also, because we'll see with forward slash option. So I said when you use the forward slash, then the contents inside the LO folder will be copied here. So first, in order to see that, remove this, and I'm not going to type these whole things, because I know if I press up arrow from the keyboard, I can see the previous command. So that's command here, and now I'm going to give forward slash. So in this case, everything inside Elo will be copied. So inside Elo there was a blue, I think. So let's do that and see what's coming here. See, blue. So inside Elo there was a blue, and inside blue there is a white. So everything came here except outer folder. Outer folder was Elo. So that is the difference of having forward slash or not having. Let's delete this once again, and this time we are going to see the move command. So the move command will move this thing, like from the desktop, the whole Elo folder will be moved there. So here I do not see cut and paste option, but in a Windows you can see the cut and paste option. But here usually if I want to move, then I can copy this and go to the YouTube, and then go to the documents. I can paste here and then come back, like I can paste here and then come back and delete the folder. So in that way that is considered as a move. But the same thing I want to do, like go to the documents here, and here instead of cp command, I'm going to change cp to move. So if you give the move command, you do not have to give the recursive R option, and actually it doesn't accept R option, so there is no way. So we cannot give the R option. So just do like this. And here also there is no meaning of the having forward slash or not. Either you give forward slash or not, it doesn't matter. It will always copy the whole, or it always move whole folder itself. Hello, I mean in this case Elo. So let's enter this and see the Elo came here. So you can see Elo here. If you go to the desktop, you will not find Elo there because it's already moved. Let's verify this. Go to this user and then go to the desktop. We do not see Elo because that's moved. So that is that's a move operation. So we learned this cp and move command. You can try yourself. Now what you can do, you can copy this documents Elo to desktop and it will appear here. Then after that you can delete that, and then again you move that that folder from documents to the desktop. So you can do that, and once you are able to do that, then you will go in this command. So yeah, so that's all for today. Thank you.